Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw 1099 NEC income and file accurately with FreeTaxUSA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, gather your 1099 NEC form from your employer or client. Ensure you have all the necessary information on the form, including your earnings and any taxes withheld. Visit the FreeTaxUSA website to start your tax filing process. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. Select the option to file your federal taxes. When prompted, choose to import your 1099 NEC information. FreeTaxUSA will guide you through the import process, making it easy to enter your details. Confirm that all information from your 1099 NEC is accurately displayed. Next, navigate to the Income section of the software. Locate the Self-Employment Income option where you will input your 1099 NEC. Carefully enter the total amount reported on your 1099 NEC form. If applicable, include any business expenses related to this income to help reduce your taxable amount. After entering your income and expenses, proceed to the Deductions section. Review potential deductions such as the standard deduction or any itemized deductions you may qualify for. Move on to the Credits section and input any tax credits for which you may be eligible. Once all income, deductions, and credits are entered, review the summary of your tax return. Make sure all figures are accurate and double-check for any errors. FreeTaxUSA may provide suggestions for maximizing your return or minimizing your tax liability. When you are satisfied with your return, proceed to e-file your taxes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the e-filing process. After you have successfully filed, you will receive a confirmation from FreeTaxUSA. Make sure to save a copy of your filed return for your records. If you owe taxes, consider setting up a payment plan or paying online directly through FreeTaxUSA. Finally, monitor the status of your return for any updates from the IRS in the coming weeks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.